Hey Martin, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to discuss and talk about allied property restoration. But before we get into that, I do want to shed some light, on how you can be found online and how it helps your business. So with that, let's get to it. So let's just say that we type in water damage restoration El Paso. Now, one of the three ways how you can be found is the sponsored here. So that just means it's Google Ads is what's being paid for to be landed here. So that's one way to be found. Second way on how you can be found is in your Google Business Map Pack area where your Google Business profile lies. Now it looks like ServPro is dominating all three of these, and in order to get here, you need to optimize your Google Business profile as well as some more 5-star reviews along with some citations. Now, last, you could be found on this organic section is what we call it, or what Google calls it. Now it's these three different areas here, and it looks like ServPro is dominating in the top three. 70% of your business will be found here, and 30% of your business will be found here. Not being in any of these six positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. Take note that these three are national, so they are targeting at a national level, not a local level. So we can easily beat these guys. So with that, in a nutshell, that's pretty much the three different ways on how you can be found. So let's dive right in and jump into allied property restoration. I really like how you did your logo up here. Looks really nice. Your phone number looks like clickable here, as well as a drop down on the different services that you do. You have your About tab and also Contact tab. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, looks like you have a little bit of content here. Now let's keep in mind that Google really loves content, so content is king, remember. So as I scroll down here, it looks like maybe you have under 50 words of content here. What Google really loves and what Google looks for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on top of keywords embedded inside of those. So you definitely want to put keywords in your content. So with that, let's move on to your competitor. ServPro, like I said, they push national, and this is kind of what their website looks like. It's pretty much cut and dry, the same as all ServPro ones. So it looks like maybe they have 200 to 300 words of content, if that, maybe 200, which isn't very much. So as you can see, they would need help as well on the content area. So let's take a quick look at backlinks and keywords. But before we get into that, in a nutshell, that's pretty much all that Google likes to look for as far as content is concerned. So let's take a quick look at allied property restoration in a tool. This tool is called Ahrefs. Anyone can buy this tool. And it basically just shows a bird's eye view on what your website is doing and what it's doing for you. After all, it is an investment. So it looks like you have a 1 power over 100. Now these are at a 100-point scale. You have an 18 trust rating. You have 15 traffic going to your website right now. And let's see, you have 135 keywords that are going through your traffic, which a lot of them probably are not working for you. So let's take a quick look at your keywords now. 131 are actually being used out of the 135, and this basically just shows the volume that the traffic that you get that people search for. So we have access to all these keywords that are being used in your website currently. Now let's take a quick look um, and look at your competitors' website. So here is ServPro. Now keep in mind that this is on a national level, so that's why it's such a high um, backlink profile. Now keep in mind that all backlinks are not created. They are not created equal. So you can throw a bunch of backlinks to something, and I mean that's all you're doing. So I mean it's not being ranked organically, as you can see. Um, as I mean you could do. They have 166K traffic now. The way Eris looks at this, like I said, this is this number right here. I mean it's at a national, so at an cservpro.com. So it's not showing that local area. Um, so I guarantee you, if you do search that, it's going to be a high number as well. So with that being said, I mean, you can definitely optimize your website by using proper SEO backlinking, a little bit of TLC, you'll be on your way. So with that, that's about all I have for you. But let's take a quick recap on what we previously discussed. The 3 different ways on how you could be found is the top section, which is your sponsored up here, which would take Google Ads to get up here. See the sponsoreds here, ServPro. Also, second way, Google Business Profile. 30% of your business is found here. 70% on the organics. So you have your ServPro, Yelp, and Angie. Keep in mind, Yelp and Angie are also at a national level. So, I mean, you have really no businesses targeting. This one actually is. Looks like El Paso Water Removal is the only local business, but they are not in the organic section, which is these top 3. So with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. If you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can email me, Joshua at petersonseoconsulting.com, and also my contact information will be at the foot of my email included with this video. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.